All right, so I've cut out part of the wall here to see what's going on behind the wall, and I'll show you here. So it's not as bad as I was expecting. So I cut out a few sections. There's here at the top here, cut out this whole section to see if there's any water damage on the wood here or the parts above. It seems to be okay. I checked below, and like this bottom board is just completely destroyed. It's just gone. I need to secure this board. It moves around. So I need to put a couple screws in at the top. But as far as everything is looking pretty good here, but these bottom boards, like this one is partially rotted out. So what I'm gonna have to do with that is basically, I got a Sawzall and I'm gonna be cutting this out and basically replacing it with a new one. And I think I'm gonna do half at a time so it doesn't sag while I'm working on it. So I'll do half, try and stick the board under there, and do the other half and try and stick the board under there. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll kind of show you how it progresses here. Okay, so I have got the top secured, both sides on this board, so that's solid. All this wood's good, so everything's fixed up there. I got the board put in down here, and then secured it on both sides, and this one's good to go. So now I have to do this side, and this is gonna be a little bit more labor intensive because I need to actually cut out this wood. Some of it's okay. Some of it's completely rotted, so I just need to replace the whole board. So I have to cut this out with the Sawzall and do the same thing I did over here. So just slide a new board in there and be good to go. So here's a better look. Pretty solid here. Kind of knocked out all the dead stuff, but coming in here, like this is just falling apart. I was thinking about maybe salvaging it, but I think it's done. And also I put a pressure treated board down here. You need to put pressure treated wood when it's against concrete because of the moisture. So that's what I did there. I'm gonna do the same down here. So I'm gonna cut this out with a Sawzall right now. See how it goes. Okay, so I cut out half of it and cleaned it up out in there. It actually came out easier than I was expecting, so that was pretty easy. Gonna go cut this piece and get it in there and then do the same thing to the other side. Okay, I finished up. So I was able to get all the boards in there as I showed earlier. So I got the bottom board all in there, all screwed in, ready to go. Same thing here. Basically I did it in two because I didn't want this side, I didn't want all to sag. So I basically did it in two pieces and put them each in one at a time. So, and that's all set up there too. So now I just need to get drywall and, you know, fix it, put the drywall in, tape it, mud it, and then ready to go, ready to do the rest of the closet and the hallway and everything else. So if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.